Hi everybody!
Hey guys!
Happy Monday!
Happy Monday!
And we're hanging out in our backyard enjoying a whole bunch of new blooms. We're standing next to our 2 new daffodil flowers and just enjoying all the new color around our yard.
With everything blooming or getting ready to pop right now, we wanted to show you what's blooming or about to bloom in our yard. And we're just going to show a montage today because it's Montage Monday.
Yeah, that's right. Monday montage. So sit back and relax, enjoy some flowers around our yard. We would love to hear what's blooming around your yard as well.
So, that was the montage of all our plants and flowers in our yard so far. Hope you enjoyed that, and go ahead and comment below and let us know if anything's blooming in your yard.
Have a great Monday ahead. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, Quarantine Gardeners.
Bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.